Is there a beaver? Is this a beaver? Beaver, beaver, beaver. Today we're going to open Hatchimals. Wow, there's so many. How many are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yellow dog, pink duck. No. It's not a bird. Pink bird, green dinosaur, orange wolf. Ooh, it's an egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It's a big crocodile. It's so cute. It's a flying crocodile. Fly. Yeah. What is it? It's so cute. Is it a wolf? No, baby. It's a panda bear, a purple panda bear. What is this? Maybe it's a flying turtle. That's funny. The flying turtle's wings look so sparkly. It's so cute. It looks like a cocoon. Cocoons are so cute. Wow. This is a raccoon. It likes to eat garbage, but it has wings and it can fly away if somebody sees it. It's a cute little cat inside a bathtub. Aww, so cute. I see something inside the egg. What is it? What is it? It's a little cat. It's a purple little cat. But it looks like a wolf. A purple wolf can fly, but it has sparkly wings. It's a bird. It has sparkling wings though. It has yellow feet. It has purple wings. I see something inside the egg. What is it? This looks like a seagull. I think it's but it has red sparkly wings and it has feet. It has your feet. But it's orange. Ooh, it looks like a piggy can fly. A piggy can fly. It has blue wings. And it's blue and it can fly. But I don't know why piggies can fly. Piggies don't fly. They're too funny. They jump in the muddy puddles. Purple to pink. See? It's turning pink. Let's squish it. It looks like a crocodile again. Now there's 2 crocodiles. They have pointy teeth. It's a sad duck. It's a cute little squirrel. That's blue. It's a cute purple dragon. It has a yellow star. This is koala. This is a koala. It has eyes. It has eyebrows. It has a tummy. This is a whale. A pink whale. It has blue wings. It has a pink fin. It has a tummy. It's a pink rayon. Rayon? Rayon? No. How do you say it? It's a pink whale. I think it's a wolf bat. Wolf bats fly. This is a purple dragon. It has red wings. It has red pointy things on his back, but also has a pink tail. I don't know what this is. Is there a beaver? I think there's a beaver. It's a beaver? Is this a beaver? Beaver, beaver, beaver. This is a beaver. It has purple wings, it has a pink tail. It also has blue feet. It's a fish. Wow. This is a zebra. This is a pink zebra. It has silver wings. It has pink hair. It has black stripes. This is a chameleon. This is a bear. The bear is sitting on the wood. This is a pink puppy. It has silver wings. It has a pink tail. Wow! I think it's a bee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There are 24 animals. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This is puppet. This is Pharaoh. They live in the meadow. This is Drago. This is ZBrush. They live in savannah. Savannah. They live in the savannah. This is Pandu. This is Quaku. This is Quaku. This is Parrot. This is Chameleon. They live in the jungle. This is Baloo. This is Beluga. They live in the ocean. These are geckos. This is beavery. These are alligators. They live in the river. This is Tiffany. He lives in the desert. This is Scully. These are lynx. This is Puffwurst. This is Puffwurst. Puffwurst. This is Puffwurst. He's a piggy. They live in the forest. This is Starlight Swallow. He's an otter. He's holding a yellow star. He lives in star-like shores. This is Radiant Panda. This is Radiant Beetle. They live in Radiant Reef. Hello. We like to play together. We are best friends. Hello, we are best friends too. I will hold your hand. I'll hold your hand too. Bye, buddy. Can you help me find the orange parrot? Here it is. This is the orange parrot. Yay! We found it. Can you help me find the pink puppet? Here it is. Yay, we found it. Can you help me find blue squirrel? Here, we found it. Can you help me find panda bear? Here. We found him. We found everything. Yay! Can you help me find who lives in the ocean? These live in the ocean. Yay, we found the whale and the fish. They live in the ocean. See? They are best friends. Which of these animals fly? The bird flies. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. Bees fly. And dragons fly. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. They fly, fly, fly all around. La 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 la. These animals are purple. This parrot is orange. This bird is yellow and white. This bee is pink. The hive is yellow. Please like and subscribe.